Alright, so in this video we have this Ferrari which came in for paint protection film removal, and I want to show you how to do that in proper way. I'm gonna take an example of this hood. First thing, what you need to do is, if you have the edges wrap, you need to cut all around the edges. Make sure all of that is off. And then second step is split the hood on the sections. For this one, I did in 4 sections. So it was 1, 2. Now I'm gonna go third one. I'm gonna cut it right here, and then we have the 4th one. Now you just use heat gun, and it's way much easier to do it that way, and it's less adhesive left behind.